In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business with Days 2025, step by step. Let's walk through the entire flow so you know exactly what to expect and what to prepare. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. From the official Revolut website, select the option to create an account. When prompted, choose United Kingdom as your country, then continue. For the company type, select Limited Company or LTD and proceed. Enter your email address and continue. Check your inbox and authorize the login from the message you received to confirm it's you. Next, enter your phone number, making sure you've selected the correct country code, and continue. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter that code to move forward, create a strong password you'll remember, then continue. You'll be asked for your date of birth and residential address. Enter those details carefully and proceed. Now search for your business legal name. Select the correct company from the results and continue. You'll be guided to enter your business details, including the business legal name, your company's house, registration number, and the date of incorporation. Make sure everything matches your company's house records exactly to avoid delays. Then continue. Add your company address details, including the address line, city, and postcode, and proceed. Next comes identity verification. Click Continue to start. Choose the type of ID you want to use, typically a passport or driving license, and follow the prompts. When you're ready, select Start Record Video. This step confirms liveness and helps Revolut verify that the ID belongs to you. Make sure you're in a well-lit space, hold your document steady, and follow the on-screen instructions. If the system asks you to turn your head or read a short phrase, do so slowly and clearly. After you've completed verification, your application will be reviewed. Once approved, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can explore your account, review your business details, and get ready to set up payments and invoicing. If anything looks off, use the provided options to edit your details so they match your official records. That's the full process from search to dashboard. Keep your official company information handy: registration number, incorporation date, and address, so you can complete everything in one sitting. Take your time, double check each field, and you'll have your Revolut business account for your LTD set up smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.